Okay guys, so check it out. Garage door opener, right? You notice that when you start driving up on your garage door, you hit the button, seems to not work. You have to get closer and closer to it. And then finally, that day comes when it's raining outside and the door doesn't work. You're like, man, I knew I should have changed that battery a long time ago. So here I'm going to show you how to change a battery in an overhead garage door opener remote. It's fairly easy. So you need a Phillips screwdriver, really simple tool. Coin batteries. I know that this thing takes a 2032 coin battery. I had to change one of these the other day, but you'll know when you jump into one of these things what it takes. So you got to take this little clip off to get to the screw on the back. So just pull that off. That's the hardest part about it. Just pull it off. You're not going to hurt it. Might be a little tough. And you see it's got a little Phillips screw right there. Undo that screw to get into the remote guts. Okay. And then pop the back of this thing open. Might be a little tough. And then there you are. There's the coin battery right there. So make note of the orientation of the battery in there. Slide it out. Verify the number on there. CR 2032. Okay. Slide the new one in. It's that simple. And take your cover, put it back on. Okay. Take your screw, put your screw back in. And then you take the clip, slide the clip back on. You are good to go. Ready for another rainy day. So it's that easy. I don't know, these batteries probably last for what, good year or so. I don't know, depends on use. So, but anyway, there you go. Garage door opener, back in service.